If you're looking for a whale watching experience that you'll talk about for the rest of your life, go whale watching in Hervey Bay. Each year between April and November, thousands of humpback whales migrate from Antarctica up along the east coast of Australia to the warmer waters of the Queensland coast, where they mate and give birth. During their annual migration of up to 10,000 kilometres, humpback whales attract thousands of visitors to coastal towns along Australia's east coast. But the best place to see them is Hervey Bay, where they stop to rest and play before returning to Antarctica. Whale watching in Hervey Bay offers a level of interaction that you may not experience anywhere else. This is because the humpback whales have chosen Hervey Bay as their location to stop and rest and relax during their migration. In many other places, the humpback whales are on a mission to get to their destination and may not be interested in interacting with people. The best months to see whales in large numbers is August and September. Well over 1,000 humpback whales arrive in the waters between Hervey Bay and Fraser Island in late August and early September. They hang around these waters, resting and playing for anywhere between 5 and 10 days before continuing their journey to Antarctica. Humpback whale songs are unique to each population of humpback whales. Songs can last for about 20 minutes, and the whales can repeat the same song for hours. It's easy to see why Hervey Bay is the whale watching capital of the world, especially when you get a mugging like this. These whales just wouldn't leave us alone. We had 4 whales circling us and coming us to check us out, and they just stayed there for ages, like about half an hour. And we had them all to ourselves, just our boat.
Great, take it with me.
Just the eye of the whale out of the water. I see a white black line on the right side.
This humpback whale might look big, but it's actually a sub-adult that's not fully grown. An adult humpback whale can weigh up to 50 tons and is 14 to 18 meters long. Southern Hemisphere humpback whales feed in Antarctica, where krill and plankton is available in abundance. A humpback whale can consume 2,500 kilograms of krill and plankton a day. They arrive in their breeding grounds in the Whitsunday Islands in June or July. While they are mating and breeding, they aren't interested in interacting with the boats. However, by the time they arrive in Hervey Bay, they're ready for some entertainment. The humpback whales go to Hervey Bay to watch the boats. As you can see from how close they swim to the boats, the humpback whales appear to be having as much fun as we are. Humpback whales migrate from Antarctica each year to mate and to have babies. Most of the humpback whales give birth in the Whitsundays, but some of them actually do give birth in Hervey Bay. Female humpback whales are usually bigger than the males. Humpback whales are believed to be highly intelligent and curious. As you can see from the way they interact with the people on the boat, this may well be true. Humpback whales travel in small pods, and in Hervey Bay it's common for small pods of up to 2 to 4 humpback whales to approach and hang around a boat. Some of them seem to be having so much fun they don't even want to leave.
Right in front of you, just waiting like that from looking at, bro. It was epic. Awesome.
There are several Hervey Bay whale watching tours to choose from, but no matter which boat you choose, if you visit Hervey Bay at the right time of year, you're pretty much guaranteed of having a close-up experience with the whales. The boat we're on today is Island Venture.